Welcome students. Today we are going to start with the next concept in quadratic equation. The last class we have learned how to find out the roots of the quadratic equation by factorization method. Today we are going to learn one more method of finding out the roots of the quadratic equation, that is the formula method. So the formula that is used to find out the roots of the quadratic equation is given by x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So this is a formula to find out the roots of the quadratic equation, where all these terms, b is the coefficient of x, a is the coefficient of x square, and c is the constant. The thing is, you have to learn how to write it in the standard form, write down the values of a, b and c, then substitute in the formula and find out what are the roots of the quadratic equation. Now whenever you write the formula, this depends on what is the variable in the given problem. If the variable in the given problem is y, you have to write it as y. If it is a, you have to write it as a. Then whenever you write the formula, you have to write this is whole divided by 2a. Many of you will make the mistake of writing this 2a either only here or here. No, it is you have to write it as whole divided by 2a. Now we have got practice set 2.4. That the first one is compare the given quadratic equation to the general form and write the values of a, b and c. Now suppose if you have got the problem given as 2m square is equal to 5m minus 5. So this first you have to write in the standard form and write down the values of a, b and c. So this is written as 2m square minus 5m plus 5 equal to 0. After writing in the standard form, write down the values of a is equal to 2, value of b is equal to minus 5, and value of c is equal to 5. Only this much you have to do for the first problem. And the second problem is solve using formula. So they are given few problems where you have to use the formula and find out the roots of the quadratic equation. Now the first problem, you have got x square plus 6x plus 5 equal to 0. So here check whether it is in the standard form. If it is in the standard form, write down directly the values of a, b, c. If it is not in the standard form, write it in the standard form and then write a, b, c value. So here value of a is equal to 1, value of b is equal to 6, and value of c is equal to 5. Now when you are using the formula method, either you can write the formula, the full formula, and substitute the values and simplify it, or if you want, you can only first find out b square minus 4ac value, then substitute the value. So here you have got b square minus 4ac, will first find out. B is 6 square minus 4, a is 1, and c is 5. So 6 square is 36 minus 20, so you got it as 16. Now next what you have to do is, after finding out this one, now write the formula. Here in the problem the variable is x, so you can write it as x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b. For each and every problem, see that you write the formula b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So this is in the formula you got minus b value is 6 plus or minus root b square minus 4ac, you got 16, so write it as 16 upon 2 into a value is 1. So this will be equal to minus 6 plus or minus square root of 16 is 4 upon 2 into 1 is 2. Now whenever you can simplify it further, you have to simplify the values further and then write the values of the roots of the equation. So this can be written as x is equal to minus 6. Once with the plus sign you have to write 4, and the next time you have to write with the minus sign. So minus 6 plus 4 upon 2, or you get value of x is equal to minus 6. Next time write it with the minus 7, minus 4 upon 2. So this will be equal to minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2. So you get minus 2 upon 2, or x is equal to minus 6 minus 4 is minus 10 upon 2. So simplifying this, what you get, the value of x is equal to minus 1, or you get the value of x is equal to minus 5 after cancelling it. Then you write the final equation. Therefore the roots of the equation are minus 1 and minus 5. The third problem, 3m square plus 2m minus 7 equal to 0. So here comparing with the standard form, you get a is equal to 3, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to minus 7. Now first thing what you have to do is find out b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac is equal to, b is 2, so you get 2 square, 4 into 3 into, c is minus 7, so you have to write it as a minus 7 along with the sign. So this will be equal to 2 square is 4, then minus into minus will become plus, 4 3 is 12, 12 7 is 84. So this will be equal to 80, 82. Now you have got b square minus 4ac as 88. Now write the formula. Now here in this problem the variable is m. So you have to write m is equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So minus b is what you have got 2 plus or minus b square minus 4ac, you have got it as 88 upon 2 into a is 3. So this will be equal to minus 2 plus or minus. Now this 88 you can simplify and write it as 4 into 22. That is third 88, simplify, write in the simplest form. So this is written as 4 into 22, where square root of 4 is 2. So this can be, see you have got root 88. So this you write it as 4 into 22. So square root of 4 is 2 root 22, write it as it is. So simplifying this you get 2 root 22 upon 2 3 is 6. Now next what you have to do is you have got 2 common here, so take out 2 as common. Then in the bracket you will be left with minus 1 plus or minus root 22 upon 6. Now you have to do the cancellation. Here don't do the cancellation, here also don't do the cancellation. Take, because you have got between the two terms you have got plus and minus sign, you should not do the cancellation. Take it out as common and then do the cancellation. 2 1s are 2 3s are. So you get minus 1 plus or minus root 22 upon 3. So therefore x, not x, here the variable is m. So m is equal to minus 1 plus root 22 upon 3, or you get m is equal to minus 1 minus root 22 upon 3. So this is how you have to. By third problem, 3y is equal to 2. Now you have got a fraction here. To remove the fraction, multiply throughout by 3. So this one will become 3y square plus y is equal to 6. This you multiply by 3, so write it in the bracket. So now rearranging it, you get this as 3y square plus y minus 6 equal to 0. Now you have to simplify it. So a you have got as 3, b you have got as 1 and c is equal to minus 6. Now first what you are going to find out, b square minus 4ac. So b is 1 square, 4 into 3 into minus 6. So you get 1 plus 4 3 is 12, 12 6 is 72. So you get this as 73. Now write the formula. Your variable is y. So you write y is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So this will be minus b is 1 plus or minus this b square you have got b square minus 4ac, you have got root 73 upon 2 into a is 3. So this will be minus 1 plus or minus root 73 upon 3 2s are 6. Here nothing can be taken out as common factor. So you split it and write it as y is equal to minus 1 plus root 73 upon 6, or you get y is equal to minus 1 minus root 73 upon 6. So this completes the problem.